Hey, it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. Today I'm going to show you how to use a ratchet strap. This is a keeper. It's about 25 feet, 500 pound, very standard. I think I got it at Home Depot or Lowe's. So basically the key is I have one end down there just to show you that it's like strapped to something down there. And so once I have my strap kind of working, once I have it strapped to the one end, you want to basically just gotta turn this thing around, sorry. Then you want to strap this end to whatever else you're doing in your vehicle, right? So I have this end on one side, this end on the other side. So because it's all the way open, because it's all the way open, it's not 180 degrees, but it is in terms of the housing right here. You can see this is straight, essentially straight, but it's all the way back. So I'm gonna click on this thing to release it, just bring it back. And then once you do that, you can actually ratchet it. So then the other thing is you want to stick the strap in the middle of that thing right there. See if I can even do it. See how it's in the middle of that right there. It's in the middle of the wheel. So no steamboat language, please. So what I did is I just put it through a little bit more. Then I'm gonna start to ratchet it. Sorry, it's moving away. So I'm gonna hold it. I'm holding it just so I can ratchet my item down. And I pull back. Slowly getting in there. I'm just ratcheting in it, going up, just pulling it, not touching anything. Not touching anything. I'm just kind of, this is already down. Pulling it there. So they tell you want to go, you definitely don't want to fill this up because you won't be able to get it out. So you want to go like 3 or 4. This is definitely tight. You're tight, you're ready to go, you're moving along. You finish your thing and you want to unlatch it. So the key is you hit this, grab this thing, pull it, and then put it all the way back to what is sort of a 180 degree, and then a little bit higher up, and then you can just pull it and it'll come right out. So you can pull it with your hands, obviously, and kind of just pull it and get it out. Loosen it, leave it, loosen it, take your item out, and you're good to go. This is a keeper ratchet strap. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is helpful. Take care of yourselves.